Welcome once again to Beacons Avenue. We're going to continue our graphic designing tutorial, and today we are going to look at coloring our background and also how to color our work. Precisely how to color our work. So let's open our software, Adobe Photoshop CS6 extended. So I already have it opened. So open it. So this is where we last ended. So this is my A4 sheet selected the other time. Now let's try and select another paper size. Let's go to file, let's go to new, continue to, we're going to use our social media handles. So paper size, and we custom the A4, the height being 210. Hope you are getting it, because the other time we said when you want to get the square size, the width to be 210 millimeters, the height also 210 millimeters. So this yeah, so this is our WhatsApp DP paper size or worksheet. So you can see the top here, we have a layer here, we have another layer here. You can design plenty things at the same time on the same interface, as you are seeing as a whole interface like this. You can design different. So this layer is having the A4 sheet. This layer is also having the social media poster sheet. So let's go to how to color our background. So after creating your sheet or your background, what you have to do is that you go to the right side of your interface. You see this place over here. We have layers. This particular place are called layers. So make sure this one is selected. This is a layer. So you can see that the background has been locked. It means it has not been activated. Before you work on it, you have to activate it. So you just double click on this file lock. It will ask you to confirm layer OK or layer 0. Just press OK. It means I sure you want to open, then press OK. Meaning you've activated this layer. So now you can work on this layer. So you just go to layer, double click on the padlock, it opens, and now you come on it. Now, and before you work on this sheet, make sure at the left side, the tray over here, you see a cursor with a star on it. Make sure you select this, meaning you selected the layer. Anytime you want to work on the layer, you just select it, and you see this signs are around it, meaning you've activated the layer or the worksheet you're about to work on. So now, after activating it, go to the down here, you see FX. See FX, just click on it. It pop up and select color overlay. We're going to color our background, so select color overlay. So after it has opened, you see automatically having set to be red. The software has automatically set it to be red, so you have to select the color you want. So after you open it, just click on the color blend over here, normal. Let it be at normal. Don't click on preview. Select normal here. Just click on it. Now it will open another tray for you. Now in this tray, you can get the whole colors that you want in the world here. This vertical tray, when you bring it to red, you get red. Bring it to move purple, you get it blue, and select it. Then light will get into green, then we have yellow, then red. So if it's on red like this, I can select red, being it lighter, and the more you are moving to the whiter side, you are getting a lighter color. Are you getting it? So if it is red, as you are moving closer to the white, see, this is red. As you are moving closer to the white, you are getting it lighter. The same applies to as you are going down. As you are going back to the dark here, you are getting darker colors, meaning your red is becoming darker. So it's the same thing. So if you want a dark red, you just go down closer to the dark, you get a dark. If you want the bright or lighter red, go closer to the white, you get the light. Okay. So this is it. And after selecting, let's select a normal red. Then okay. Now okay. You click on this okay again. So now we have our background to be red. Hope you understand it. So let's set a different color the same way. So let's go to the A4 sheet. Is the A4 sheet is still white, and we've activated the layer already. So you select our select tool, then go to FX, then color overlay, then open this place. And then let's select blue. So I want blue black. Let's blue black here. Get dark blue. Get light blue. Light blue. Goes over there. So let's select this blue. Then okay. Confirm again. Okay. So basically this is how we select our color, our background color. So we have our second worksheet to be read, our first sheet to be read. Now let's get a third worksheet. So let's go to file, new. Let's say we are working on A3. So international paper. Let's select A3. Now A3. Okay. So you see third layer has been opened, meaning that we have three works, different works to work on. Now the first one to be blue A4, second one social media, the poster, the third one to be A3 paper. So now we want to color this A3 paper also. We go and unlock our padlock. That means we've activated the layer. Then we go to FX here, then select color over here, then use our color from the color tray. So we have plain worldwide colors. Any color you want to get it here. So it depends on your creativity. So let's get our yellow one. Like yellow. Okay. So this is yellow. Wow.